In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set creator earning on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings, how to choose a fair fee, and how to route payouts to the right wallet, all without missing any important options. Start by heading to the OpenSea website. It's easiest to do this on a desktop browser. Make sure you're signed in with the wallet that owns or manages your collection so you can access its settings. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left sidebar and click Studio. Studio is where you create and manage collections, assets, and settings that affect how your NFTs behave on the marketplace. Inside Studio, select the collection you want to update. If you manage multiple collections, double check you're opening the correct one, including the right blockchain network, so your changes land exactly where you expect. In the collection dashboard, open the Creator Earnings section. This is the dedicated area for setting your royalty percentage and specifying where those royalties should be paid when your NFTs are resold on supported marketplaces. Enter your creator fee. This number is a percentage taken from eligible secondary sales. Many creators choose something in the low single digits to balance steady earnings with healthy trading activity. Keep in mind that setting the fee too high can reduce buyer interest, while setting it too low may limit your long-term revenue. If the field allows decimals, use them for more precise splits. Next, add the recipient wallet address that should receive the earnings. Paste carefully and verify the first and last few characters before saving. It should be a wallet you control or a trusted payout address. If you need to change it later, you can return to this page and update it, but updates typically apply going forward. If you want to share earnings across multiple wallets, use the option to add another wallet. Allocate the percentages so they add up to the full creator fee you set. For example, if your creator fee is 5%, you might split it 3% and 2% across two wallets. Always confirm the math and the addresses before proceeding. Look for the enforced creator earnings setting and turn it on if it's available for your collection. This helps ensure your royalties are honored where enforcement is supported. Finally, click Publish Changes. You may be prompted to confirm or sign in your wallet. Wait for the confirmation that your settings are saved and you're done. That's how you set creator earnings on OpenSea quickly and confidently.